For delivery of judgment, item number 1 and 2.
Both the CRP allowed. Matters are remanded back to the Deputy Commissioner Likavali, who shall forward transfer the entire case records to the competent civil court having jurisdiction to for fresh adjudication in accordance with law. Okay. And I also directed the Deputy Commissioner shall ensure that the records are transmitted to the appropriate court within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. Party shall at liberty to raise all available pleas before the competent civil court.
Let's. Lordship,
Yes.
left to mention item number 18. Yes, some more time may be granted to file.
Order matter wait. Let us see the record and pass necessary order.
Yes, sir.
We adjourn early.
Well, for respondent number 1 and 2, we have not yet filed the affidavit.
Maybe. Wait for some time. We'll see the record and pass order. Okay. Not an adjournment call. Okay.
May I mention item number 25? But, I could not locate my file. I'm sorry to say, but therefore maybe taken up after 1 week.
What is to be done here? This is in order.
25.
Yes. What is the need?
I'm appearing on behalf of Petitioner Counsel Mr. B. Kalita. Right now, he is in Guwahati due to some personal inconvenience. He could not appear today. Next date may be Lordship fixed on 17th December. I have taken consent from the other side also.
Okay. Mr.
Techi Ita.
With the consent of the Lara Council for the. Your name is not there.
Yes, not dear. I'm appearing on behalf of B. Kalita.
Techi
Ita Tara.
the Taralani Council and an advocate appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Kalita praised for listing this matter on 17/12/2025. He has also obtained consent from the Lana Council for the other side. Please grateful. Come and list this matter on 17/12. Okay.
Much obliged.
This is for filing of affidavit reply. I had short time on the last occasion, but I could not file it.
Okay. Mr.
2 weeks.
Mr. T. Patil, Lana Council for the petitioner, prays for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Have you informed the other side?
Yeah, and the interim order may be continued.
Okay. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 2 weeks. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of list. Okay.
Let.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. I'm for the petitioner here. I have taken the consent from the other side. Kindly, this matter may be adjourned and it may be fixed after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay. Mr.
M. Kambo.
Lana Council for the petitioner with the consent of the other side, the Lana Council for the other side, prays for listing this matter after 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, one more item number 10. Here, I'm for the respondent. Kindly, this matter may be also fixed after 2 weeks.
Item 10.
Yes.
You are for?
Yes, respondent. I'm for the respondent.
Okay. The petition. Have you informed the petitioner?
Yes, sir, I am for the petitioner.
Okay. Mr. M. Kambo, Lana Council for the respondent number
Respond here, we are sole respondent.
sole
Yes,
respondent.
yes,
When do you want, you said, after?
after 2 weeks.
Okay, praise for listing this matter after 2 weeks, Mr.
Sita Jo,
Planning Council for the petitioner has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Yep.
Plus,
Your Lordship, there is interim.
The interim order pass shall continue till the next day of the
May, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
Nine.
Appearing on behalf of petitioner,
9 is with each.
there is 8, 9. I've taken consent from the other side. Kindly this meeting will fix after 2 weeks.
You are for the petitioner,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Sita Jo,
The Sita Jo, Planning Council for the petitioner with the consent of the Land Council for the respondent. Praise for listing this matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Madam.
Mayor Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Your Lordship. This is in order columns, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, in this case, we have filed an wakalatnama, Your Lordship. And then further, like, we are not going to file an affidavit, Your Lordship. My prayer that this matter may be fixed for admission for disposal, Your Lordship.
Okay. No, okay. Mr. Dicky Pang, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr.
J3,
J. Sitting Land Council
sole
for
respondent.
the sole appearing. You appearing for the first time.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have filed
good appear.
wakalatnama.
So, on behalf of the sole respondent and some state, they are not going to, earlier, not made any, I think, prayer for filing affidavit.
No, Your Lordship. This is the
No.
first time after filing wakalatnama we
Okay.
appeared.
Okay, since the parties are, whether the record was called for,
No, Your Lordship.
It's a legal.
not
Law
necessary.
points, based on law points.
Okay, since the parties are duly represented, let this matter be listed for admission. After 3
Two-
weeks.
2 weeks.
There's an interim order.
Okay,
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks, huh? The interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Oh,
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 11. We would like to withdraw this appeal, Your Lordship, since the matter has got infructus. Item 11, I'm for the appellant here.
It appears you have not taken notice. Mr.
M. Tangzang, appearing on behalf of the appellant, Mr. G. Kato.
M. Tangjang, appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Kato, Land Council for the appellant. Submits that he again, submits that the matter has been resolved. This matter has been resolved. And as such, it has become infructuous. Stop. The other side is also present?
No.
Of infructuous. Therefore, he has an instruction to withdraw the matter. To withdraw this appeal. Stop. The prayer is allowed. This appeal is disposed on becoming infructuous. Stop.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Mayor, please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 7.
Age withdrawn. Dispose age withdrawn. Okay. Yeah.
I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
I'm on behalf of Elban, Your Lordship, leading counsel. He is out of station. For that, can this matter be listed after 1 week, Your Lordship?
Item,
7.
you're for,
All
Respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay, who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner.
No objection.
Yeah.
When do you want, you said?
1 week, Your Lordship.
Mr.
M. Tasso on behalf of Elban, Your Lordship.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Bam, Land Council for the respondent. Sole respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, interim order is there.
Praise for adjournment of the matter for 1 week. On the ground that the conducting counsel, Mr. L. Bam, has some personal difficulties today. Okay. The prayer not being objected to by Mr.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner is allowed. Let this matter be listed after a week. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Mayor Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. Leading counsel, we have taken consent from other sides. And leading counsel is out of session.
Item 16.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, you are Mr.
B. Sivo on behalf of P. Laji.
B. Sivo, Lanark Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Laji. As some Mr. the conducting council is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter for a week, 2 weeks,
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Conducting council, Mr. T. Laji, is out of station. Maybe the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 on behalf of M. Kato, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter may be listed after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
Yes, sir. Your Lordship, interim order is.
Criminal petition. Is there any private respondent here?
No, Your Lordship.
Miss
Ojarang.
Lanark Council for the petitioner. Lanark Council, your name is there?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, Lanark Council. Some steps. The conducting council, Mr. M. Kato, is out of stage. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for 4 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
There is a stay.
Yes, Lordship.
The other side not yet appeared.
Sir, we have taken consent from the other party.
What is the stage of trial? Or before the trial court?
Appeal, Your Lordship.
We'll say 2 weeks, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, Your Lordship.
Adjournment.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
It's okay.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Miss,
Your Lordship, also there is an interim order.
no objection according to prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks, at item 50. Yes,
Your Lordship, there is also an interim order.
the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. Lordship, in this matter, we have not received any instruction, Your Lordship. And today they have served extra copy also, Your Lordship.
Item 13.
Yes, Your Lordship, 1-3.
1-3.
Miss Pango P. Pango, Lanark Government Advocate, appearing on behalf of the state respondent.
1-6.
Some Mr. She is yet to receive instruction in this matter. Therefore, pray for some more time. The prayer is allowed. Sorry, some more time. Mr. Beard, Lanark Council for the appellant is present and has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after
4 weeks. 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
May I please, my lord?
Item 3, Lord. 3. Yes.
May I? Lordship, this is the free arrest bail application in connection with Sagali PS case. Charges under section 316 and 318 for the criminal breach of trust and cheating. Here the applicant is, my lord, a government bank employees. Lordship, may I kindly come to FIR at annexure to page number 16, my lord. 16. So this is a 3-page lengthy FIR. I would like to draw, my lord, kindly see the page number 7.
Who are you?
I am a bank employee, my lord, currently
Sorry.
working as
What is your role?
alleging that it is the with regard to the deductions of the loan amount, my lord. I have been alleged that I have deducted certain amount and it has been transferred to some other.
Where in the
Kindly
FIR? The allegation,
FIR at,
relevant portion of allegation
relevant is,
against
my
you?
lord, at para 5, my lord, phase number 17.
Yes.
Here alleging that informant had availed the loan, car loan from the rural bank, and after being repayment all the loan liabilities, certain amount has been transferred from his account to some other unknown account. That is the allegation, my lord. Kindly see the para.
It was done by?
It was done by the bank employees, rather than bank manager, my lord.
And you are there in the bank?
Yes, my
working
lord.
as-
So altogether here, at least three bank
employees, including present bank incumbent manager and previous 2 managers, my lord. So may I read this operative para
Yes.
5, my lord? After some time, I realized that the bank had duped my hard-earned money in the name of MTL 51 loan as 1A. The total amount paid to the bank from the loan starting month on dated 8/9/2011 against the said Maruti car loan is rupees 2,06,604 rupees, my lord, which I was supposed to pay 1,73,000. However, I ended up paying 33,604 rupees only of more than the actual loan amount. That is the allegation. Now, B, it is important, my lord. On dated 28/9/2022, a sum of rupees 6,354 from my personal account to some unknown account. Kindly, may I draw the attention of this account number 6668 is the unknown account as released by the informant. Then, my lord, C, it is also on 14/11/2022, a sum of rupees 50,000 from my personal account to some unknown account. Here it is the same account, 6668 is the last digit. Then D, then he released that on 7/6/2023, after a year, sum of rupees 1,73,973 paid in the form of cash to the bank manager in presence of the then bank manager Sri Milo Arun Sachin. This is the allegation. He is alleging that I have repaid the loan amount, car loan amount. That despite repayment, this much of, as mentioned in B and C, on 2 different transactions, this much amount has been transferred from my account to this unknown account. This is the allegation, my lord. And whereas here, the actual fact of the case fact is that he has no doubt repaid the loan, car loan amount, but he has not repaid the loan that has been availed from the bank, my lord. That is the issue. So let me clarify on that issue, my lord. Kindly see the statement from the bank that I have annexed as Annexure 3, phase number 24, my lord. Phase number 24. May I please, my lord? Phase number 24. Kindly, my lord, may see the top account holder name at the top left side. That is the name of informant. And kindly see the account number. That is at 6668. That is his loan account, my lord. That allegation alleged in the FIR where 5,000 something as well as 50,000 on 2 different transactions that has been transferred, alleged to have transferred on this unknown account belongs to informant only. Here, he has no doubtly repaid the car loan amount on 21-month installment. Within that, EMI has been paid.
Yes. PP.
And
Who-
more
who is
important,
that,
my
sir?
lord, one of the co-accused has been enlarged on pre-arrest by
This appears this account
yesterday.
which he is alleging to have transferred unknown on unknown account appears to be his own.
Yes, from my record, it seems to be his own loan account. No,
What is this?
and informant does not know about his own account. That is fact revealed
Because
from the record.
This is
But-
the, my lord, the loan account where the loan has been sanctioned. And that from where the amount has been transferred is
Anyway,
car
just
loan.
obtain
Since,
instruction.
if there is some bank statements enclosed along with these petitions, so CD may be required.
Okay. So that-
And it's also seems from the record that enclosure, Annexure 4, it is one of the staff
Co-accused has
who
been enlarged,
serve in that bank
my lord.
and against whom the affair specifically also mentioned. And this person is in item number 3, Neil Bahadur Konwar. He helped the informant to open the bank account in that bank.
Okay.
So his name also by name in the affair. So there is disposal of connected matter yesterday only.
Dispose of.
No, no,
Yes,
11,
Lord.
11/11/25.
Dispose of.
Yes, dispose of granting
Yes,
bail.
Yesterday only, my lord.
His name was clarified.
Yes, they are co-accused working, they are
Working in the
working
same bank.
colleagues.
Hmm.
So by now, no stay may be given, no interim may be given.
Hmm.
Sorry, no interim may be given.
Hmm.
Only CD may be called at the earliest.
Why no interim?
CD is it's simple record. The CD is already they are ready.
Okay.
So CD may be called at the earliest. Because
So-
they are name accused in that file. This 2%.
Now you have seen.
3 and 4.
You have seen that it is his, in his own account, it was transferred. The allegation, it appears to be is baseless.
Yes, but
We do not know what was what is the rule for deduction, but then it appears it was a deduction in his account, loan account only.
yes, we have to see the deduction. This how much extra deduction was there or not. That is now it is not disputed that the account where the money was transferred belongs to informant himself.
It can be clarified by writing a letter to the bank.
That is a ro-
And he doesn't
part
know,
of IO.
he even doesn't know his own account. And
Yes.
this small thing which can be clarified by just going into the bank for just 5 minutes, why you have deducted. The only answer will be, it is your account, loan account, finish. It won't take much, 2 minutes also. And then he has filed FIR, why?
His allegation
Heard,
is also
Mr.
Pitamin.
Planning Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Learned additional PP for the state. Error. By filing this application under section 482 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the application is seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in connection with Sagali PSK, the police station case number 28/25 under section 318 within bracket 3/316 within bracket 4 BNS 2023 corresponding to GR number 959 2025, which yes. Okay.
different accused may have different role. If there is some allegation, that means somewhere there is a fire. If smoke is there.
Okay, based on the written FIR lodged by one Tar-Ea for criminal conspiracy, cheating, breach of trust, misappropriation of deposit amount, theft from is MTL stroke 51 AC number 1000000132595 and other personal account maintained in APRB, Sagali branch, the OCPS Sagali has registered the above the aforesaid PS case against the accused applicant and two others. How many others? Two others.
Two others, my lord.
Two others bank employees, staff. Tara. It is, it is submitted. The learning counsel for the petitioner submits that the accused applicant is innocent of all allegations made in the said FIR. However, any notice issued to you for appearance?
No, my lord.
However, since since is the named accused in the FIR, we had a reasonable ground for apprehending his arrest by the police and cause unnecessary harassment. And staff hence this application staff issue notice. Parahan issue notice, call for the case diary. We scan copy of the case diary. Staff. In the meantime, comma, in the event of, it is provided that in the event of the accused applicant, namely Neil Bahadur Kumar, is being arrested in connection with the Sagali PS case number 28/25, comma, he shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on furnishing bail bond of rupees 25. What was the amount in earlier case?
15,000, my lord. 15,000 in
50.
yes, your lord. 1500 was the amount.
Hmm?
1500 was the bail bond amount of co-accused, which has been granted interim bail.
Okay, 15,000. With one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the condition that the accused shall, subject to the following condition. One, the accused shall cooperate and appear before the eye of the case within 7 days.
No problem.
From today, and thereafter agent when called for, that the accused shall not directly or indirectly induce, threaten, or to tamper with the evidence of the case in any manner. List this matter. When? Next week? After,
After 4 days.
After 4 days. List this matter. On. Okay, we have given 7 days.
Yes.
Interview is there, yes, 7 days maybe.
So, today is
21st.
21. Okay, we'll say 2nd December.
If you can please. Can it be on my lord, 8 December, 28th November,
Sure.
Friday.
Okay, 28 November.
Your scanned copy of CD as well as status report.
Okay, scan copy of case diary as well as call for a scan copy of the case diary as well as the status report. Okay.
Oblige you.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
4 is my lord, same, arising out of the same FIR, co-accused, my lord.
Similar order.
Yes, he is also a name accused in FIR.
Similar order.
Similar.
order.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
Only the name will change.
May Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the applicant has filed in bail, anticipatory bail application under section 482 in connection with FIR dated 174/2025 under section 61 clause 2, 316 clause 3, 318 4, 336 3, 338, 340 BNS. Police Itanagar Police Station. Your Honor, Your Lordship, the applicant here is a central government employee working in posted in Aizawl, Mizoram. So the complainant he has alleged him of various sections alleging of criminal conspiracy, creating dishonesty, inducing delivery of property, criminal breach of trust, forgery for public purpose of cheating, offense under the Prevention of Corruption Act, admitted. Lordship, the complainant and the accused person, they were both involved in the business management of MSRTP enterprises. And in this case, there is a investigation under the GST, wherein the proprietor is accused of mismanagement of GST funds that has to be returned as an input. But the accused person here in the FIR was involved only as a mutual friend. As a mutual friend, helping him in out of his business, to run his business. He was never employed in the GST department in the government of Arunachal Pradesh. The jurisdiction of his service is different. He is posted in Aizawl. He is not posted in Itanagar or Arunachal Pradesh. So there is no connection between the mismanagement of GST fund in this case. And moreover, he has alleged that the accused person has misused his GST account, which is authenticated only from OTP. One-time passport is sent to the proprietor's only registered phone number, and it has been verified by the proprietor himself. Not by, it cannot be verified any other person. And another allegation he has that he have used a forgery for purpose of cheating. He has alleged then that the accused person has misused his personal and a personal check as well as the check of his farm where he is the proprietor. So until and unless the proprietor he signed the check, it cannot be this one considered by any of the bank. So here also I deny all the allegations that has been leveled against me. And moreover, I'm working in as a central employee and posted in Aizawl. I have seeken the transit anticipatory bail to move the regular bail here in Itanagar. So if I have been accused of and alleged of all these sections, it will hamper my service. Your Honor, may please.
Have you moved any bail application before the trial court, session court?
Your Lordship, due to the workload of the sessions court, there is in every occasion, in every regularly, the court is fully loaded with the evidence and procedural court. So
Who says that?
Lordship,
Who says that?
Lordship, because of the regular court, we have been the,
So the High Court is free.
no, your Lordship. And moreover, the bail applicant here is under the transit bail, anticipatory bail application.
So that is why I'm saying
Yes.
he was to appear for regular bail. He was protected
Your Lordship.
by interim order. To facilitate you to move to obtain regular bail from the concerned court. The concerned court is the trial court,
Lordship.
session court.
Lordship.
Then
Lordship, kindly consider because of the
why should I
shortness
consider?
of time.
Why? You should have approached the trial court because you have been protected
Lordship.
by the session court only to facilitate you to obtain regular bail. Why you have straight away come before the High Court without approaching the trial court?
Lordship, in that condition, Your Honor, Your Lordship may please allow me to withdraw the case and the file again approach the lower court if it is permitted.
You said you are protected,
Yes,
and this protection is also not to arrest.
not to arrest.
Then it's there only. Regular bail would be thereafter. Okay.
Okay. Lordship, the item number 6 is the same may be allowed to withdraw.
Because your case there is also fixed on 312,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
And then they are getting protected till the disposal of the bail you would be filing.
Yes.
Okay, that will be better for you.
Lordship.
Okay, the bail is still pending.
Yes.
So this should be during the pendency of the bail. And this, in that way also, this should not be maintained. Okay, Mr.
Tita, Lordship.
Nani counsel for the petitioner. Praise for, who wants to withdraw this bail application with liberty to approach the trial court. So this, you just try understand this while applying, because this is the protection is not only interim, it's only directing not to arrest you till then.
Lordship.
Okay, that is there, And then this time, what you have to do probably is not this way, but then to protect you till the disposal of the bail which you would be filing. Probably here also they probably will not accept so long as this bail application is pending. You have to get this bail application disposed of there, Aijol.
Lordship.
Because during the pendency of the same bail application, it will be difficult. Okay. The prayer is allowed.
Lordship
This
may
bail
allow
application,
to withdraw the item number 6 also,
this bail application stands
as well as item
is
number 6.
dismissed on as withdrawn with liberty as prayed for. Okay. Similar
Okay.
order. Okay.
Item number 12.
Yes. Service report still awaited. That's number 6.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Let's go to
And my lordship, we have received an instruction.
What is the instruction?
The case is related to Deputy Director of Transport Department, Mini Secretary, not General Manager, State Transport Service. They have not made the party director.
Director of Transport Department.
Yes, Mini Secretary.
Okay, this Director of Transport Department is with the Mini Secretariat, not with the State Transport Service. And he has implemented the State Transport Service.
Yes. So Director of State Transport, he has to be made part.
And probably I think you have to amend your appeal. The petition, the claim petition filed before,
Yes, my lord.
that court also.
That court also same party, my lord, whatever in appeal also. In trial court,
What was the document you produced before that, the tribunal?
my lord, the documents regarding,
You did not produce a vehicle documents of the vehicle.
my lord, it is mentioned in the FIR also, my lord, police investigation report. And so also Rajvan copy, there is also mentioned police report 54 form, investigation report, and order of the JMFC Sunpara. This is also mentioned, my lord. They admitted that vehicle belongs to the street government.
What was the issues? What are the claim?
The
What are the
issues is, my lord, the case
Whether the
is
claim is entitled compensation? Have you proved that the vehicle belongs to the respondent in
yes,
that?
my lord. Yes, my lord.
Where in the
My lord,
judgment?
see the page number 29 and 29, 32.
$29?
And 32. This is the written statement filed by the driver of the vehicles. And in para number, my lord, see in the para number 21.
No, who else was implicated in this? Who was the other party?
Other party, my lord, because of that vehicle was the government of Arunachal.
No, where is the other party?
Other
Where
party
is your claim petition?
claim petition, my lord, claim petition is not mentioned, annexed with my appeal. I have annexed,
What the driver says then?
driver says in para number 21 and 22. Para number 21, the contentions of para number 21 in the petition are the fact that an evacuation team was ordered by the circle officer Sunpara to evacuate the BKV students who were at risk due to overflowing of the water in the area. While I was directed to drive the vehicle by the then circle officer and was driving the vehicle towards BKV school. However, due to sudden rise of water level on the road, I could not see the road, and due to hovering.
No, this is what driver says.
Yes, my lord.
So, circle officer,
Yes.
the requisition probably the vehicle, and the vehicle now seems belongs to the State Transport Service. It belongs to the Director of Transport Department, Mini Secretariat.
My lord, see the page number 15, my lord, 14 and 15.
You file in affidavit form then in that case. Hello,
Yes,
file in affidavit form. Okay? Because no, he is claiming that because whether this general manager state transport service contested the case before the
Not my
tribunal.
lord, they were the
See, it's only in the statement of the driver,
driver, yes, my lord.
which may not be correct. Because the CEO during those periods
Yes,
only requisitioned the vehicle.
yes, my lord.
He probably has straight away with the assumption that the vehicle belongs to deputy commissioner, general manager implemented, and it was a wrong, probably. And then this vehicle, it seems, belongs to the director of transport department, mini secretariat, Nahalam. You have to implement the proper party.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Okay.
in the page number
Now,
14 and 15, it is mentioned that that is a government vehicle.
No,
District
yes, government,
administration
but
vehicle.
government has a department.
Yes, my lord.
You have to implement the proper department.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
My
So,
lord,
Miss
K. Wangmo.
Wang Mo, Lani Council, appearing on, Lani Government Advocate, appearing on behalf of the respondent,
1 to 5.
1 to 5, submits that the vehicle stated to have been involved in the accident in the instant case. Involved in the accident in the instant case does not belong to the general manager state transport service, and rather it belonged to the director of transport department, mini secretariat, Nahalagan. And in this regard, she has received communication from the assistant general manager, state transport service, and praise for allowing her to bring on record the document. You file then affidavit, okay? In the affidavit form. The prayer is allowed. Mr. B. Das, Lana Council for the appellant is also present. Staff, please pray for Kama, list this matter after 4 weeks. Oh,
Item number 14.
Yes,
But it can be, I think, disposed of, if we take up the issue of maintainability, because this is a petition filed under 227, Article 227, trade weight, Section 115 of CPC.
what is the impugn order?
my lord, impugn order will find in page number. Basically, my lord, this civil division petition has been filed on the two issue. The first one is the dereliction of the duty by the magistrate, and the second one is the condonation.
Dereliction of the duty?
Dereliction of the duty. Here, my lord,
Where is the impugn order?
I will take the lordship to the impugn order in page number. It is there from 49.
$49.
My lord. This order was passed in the IA miscellaneous petition number 1, while the title appeal was filed, title appeal number 24, filed by me against the order passed by the Keba decision. Keba decision of,
You file appeal before,
yes, that is 17 for 2000.
before the civil judge, senior division.
My
I think, my lord, just before I'll just clarify what had happened. I'm not going into this. There was a dispute between the clan members. So there was a Kebang. Kebang had taken a specific decisions in my favor. But then everybody participated. the petitioner, me, we all participated. We gave our statements, witnesses were examined. Nobody objected to that kabang. We all subjected ourselves to that kabang. Now, after 804 days of delay, 804 days, they have filed a appeal, title appeal. Appeal, and in that appeal, they have filed a condemnation.
What was the decision of the KEBA?
Kaba decision, it went in my favor.
Okay, this is
The
regarding,
land belongs to me.
okay.
The title was decided.
It was under, thereafter, it was under your possession.
Yes, it is still under my position.
Okay,
Now, then they, after 804 days, they have filed the appeal. Along with that appeal, they have, because already the time barred, so they have filed a condemnation petition. And that condemnation petition was contested. We raised our objection, and that condemnation petition was dismissed. And that is the impugned order. Now, this civil division petition is only against the decision of the,
against the dismissal of the condemnation application.
yes, Malana.
So what
Therefore,
is wrong in it? What is wrong in it? What jurisdictional error has committed by the tribe?
yes, that is my question, Malana. And accordingly, the appeal was not admitted.
Civil revision, as we know, that is only a question of jurisdictional error.
I'll demonstrate, my lord. Finally, my lord, what the final conclusion is, instead of reading everything in the impugned order, para 3, this para 13, page 55. Just I'm showing this lordship to the conclusion of this impugned order. This court find that
Just a minute, para?
para 13, page 55. Because this is,
Yes.
this court find that although the liberal attitude should be adopted in the matter to delay so as to adjudicate the dispute between the parties on the merit and advance the substantial justice, but it cannot be used to defeat the substantial law of the limitation contained in section 3 of the Limitation Act. Further, the court may refuse to condone the deem even if the sufficient cause has been explained when it is inordinate, negligent, and one of due diligence, such and such. And finally, in the instant case, it is found that the petitioner has failed to show the sufficient cause for delay in filing the appeal, as he did not apply for the certified copy of the impugned judgment. The appellant was negligent and did not show the due diligence by applying for the certified copy of the Kebang order, causing inordinate delay of 804 days in filing appeal. The appellant slipped over the right and he is not entitled for any relief in view of the above observation.
Okay, what is wrong in it?
My lord, I will try to demonstrate, my lord. Now, my lord, my case here is, in fact, what is the wrong before this wrong, or what is wrong in this order is, in fact, I have never accepted the order, the decision of the 17/4/2022. That was never been conducted. This is the, and I will demonstrate the lordship. Everything.
17, what did you say? 17.4. What is 17.4?
17/4/2022.
That is a KEBA decision.
This is the KEBA decision.
So according to you, there was no KEBA sitting.
There was no capacity. And this is purposefully drafted KEBA, and I came to know after the gap of the 2 years. And
So there is no any signature, no
there is
any
no any signature,
any-
there was no
evidence from your side.
Yes,
You were not present.
I was not present. So I
Then
will
let us see the KEBA decision.
First of all, my lord, I will demonstrate, my lord. Records are here. First of all, in this case, the first KEBA was held on 7 April 2024, my lord, Annexure A, wherein the decision was, my lord, decided by the village in my favor, my lord. That has been accepted by the respondent.
Okay, initially it was in your
Initially,
favor.
the first KEBA was held on 7.
Then I think this need probably a detailed hearing.
Yes, madam.
Then we'll list it for hearing, admit it, and we'll get it for hearing.
Since the excess of pleading is completed, my lord, if
Where,
Lord,
just a minute.
ma-
Where is the annexer that?
My lord,
was
in
decided
page
in your
number
favor?
page
Where?
number 20,
20.
20, my lord.
Keba decision. Where is your name?
Keba President, my lord.
Where is your name?
My lord, a local Keba was held on such and such that number, my lord, kindly record,
yes,
my lord,
yes.
number such and such, about 10 at all community hall, Hayuliang Anjo district, in the matter of the land dispute in between Belum Manu is
And you
respondent
are?
and Biles Hoyagam and Solim Manu, it's me, my lord,
Okay.
petitioner. Biles Manugam at 3 kilometer plot Hayaling Choglam Gam BRTF Road, Anjo district on National Pradesh, my lord. The Keba chairman such and such were entire proceeding conducted under the supervisor of PI, which such and such, and additional deputy commissioner Hayuliang Anjur. The contention is my lord here. Therefore, the Kebang has come to the conclusion that 3 kilometer plot against the residential plot of constructed by Sri Solim Manu, Biles Manugam shall continued only as a residential purpose, and the Kebang board directed not to occupy the beyond residential plot without prior permission from this is respondent, Bangalore Manu.
Okay, not
And the,
beyond.
yes, this is the decision, my lord. Whatever my residential area was restored, my lord, was decided in my favor, my lord. Now,
Where is the, and then the Keba decision in favor of the respondent?
that is appear in my note, page number 23. It is there from page number 23. Oh, sorry, my lord, 24. So this is the decision of my lord, 17/4/2022. Just for reference, I will take the my lord introduction portion. In pursuant of the ADC Haloyang White number.
This was, just a minute, this was on 17/4/2020. Earlier was
17/4.
7/4.
My lord.
Earlier was 7/4.
Earlier were 7/4.
And this was by the GB?
Same GB, my lord.
Okay, same GB.
Yes, Kebang was chaired by the Gowaso Ama, my lord. This should be same person.
Guasama. Ken Karap.
Yes, my lord. The Kebang was chaired by the Gowaso
Hussein
Ama
Karap.
in page number 2.
And Gowaso.
It's appear.
Just a
No.
minute, huh? Just a minute. Yes.
And the last, my lord, the decision appear in page number 25. After my lord, this discussion, therefore, my lord, page number 25. I will read out this bolted portion only. Therefore, after careful consideration of the above facts and circumstances, observation based on the customary and the ownership right in the Mismi society, the Kebang has come to the conclusion that 3 kilometer Maing Liang, Hayuliang, Chaglam Gam road area belong to late Taping Shoman. This is the father of this respondent. Father of the Bangalore Manu and order Sri Solim Manu and his party to never interfere into the matter, as the Bangalore Manu and his party considered a 1 kilometer traffic area by solve without the proper intimation to them. Meaning is, my lord, very clear that this Sri Solim Manu should not interfere in the 3 kilometer area. Now, my lord, what I am trying to demonstrate this honorable court, they claiming that they Kebang decided on 17/4/2022 was in their favor. But my contention is, my lord, it is important to come back to page number, my lord, 21. This particular date is the 6 July 2022. Objection over the Kebang proceeding. My lord, got in page number 21.
Yes, it was filed by the
Objection
respondent.
over the Kebang proceeding and land dispute and request not to carry any development works under the same area. So this was, my lord may kindly come to the in the middle person. What is important is observation over the proceeding. What the respondent claimed that the Kebang committee board members fix the time bound period, that is the 7 days, for the results of the Kebang proceeding prior to our petition, whereas the same was taken 3 months. Claimed that the decision took 3 months. The Kebang proceeding report was received on 7/1/2022.
1 second.
Yes, 1/7/22, whereas the Kebang held on 7/4/22. This is my lord, correct. The Kebang proceeding has no authentic signature of the entire Kebang board constituted by the general admin except the signature of the PUGB. Therefore, my lord, this Kebang, this respondent is now filing the appeal against the Kebang of 7/1/2022 on July 6, 2022, after 3 months. And my lord, this will be plot in page number 23. In consequence of the complaint of the respondent, the Deputy Commissioner Hayoliang Anju has issued a notice. It's appeared in page number 23. This is on, my lord, 19/7/2022. Whereby, my lord, this is clearly stated that, my lord, got the page 23. Regarding complaint on the local Kebang proceeding of the land disputed at 3 kilometers on Hayoliang Chaglam BRT Road. With reference to the subject above, it is important that the following complaint raised by the complainant, Benglum Manu, Hayoliang such and such circle pertaining to the Kebang proceeding of, my lord, Kebang proceeding of 7/4/2022. The Kebang proceeding lacks detail including the specific size of the plot and allowed to the respondent of Sri Solim Manu, Hayoliang, and also the period of which allowed. The Kebang proceeding does not include the details of the deliberation, that is the minutes of the local Kebang. Therefore, the Kebang panel is constituted by the office wide number such and such that the 24/3/22 to settle the dispute land at the 3 kilometer Hayoliang Chaglam between Sri Benglum Manu of such village and Sri Solim Manu of Manuam village circle to look into the matter as deemed its proper. Now, my lord, my submission in the argument point of view, my lord, they have agreed the earlier Kebang decision on 6 July 2022, and accordingly on 19 July the order was passed.
Okay.
Now, how this order of the 17 April 2044, my lord, existed, my lord, because this is the subsequent Kebang. In the village, my lord, in order to conduct the subsequent Kebang also, the villager used to take the permission from the magistrate, and accordingly this has been done. Now the next question is whether they have explained, my lord, so far I have gone through the record. The application of the 16 July 2022 has nothing whisper about the decision of 17/4/2022. So, my lord, this is the ipsa loquitur, my lord, where clearly record speak that the Kebang of 17/4/2022 is, my lord, manufacture one.
Okay.
So this is
Mr. Sri Modi. Land Council for the petitioner.
Not next week, my lordship will be here next week. We can dispose it of,
Yes.
because I'll just clarify one thing.
Hmm.
All this 7-4 to the 17 Kabang, your lordship may again come back to page 20. Actually, this area is a vast area covering 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers.
Within that area, this because they are from the same clan, though they are not the owner, they have constructed a house. It talks only about residential house. You lordship may come to paragraph 2,
Oh.
paragraph 3.
Okay.
Therefore, Kabang has come to conclusion that 03 kilometer plot against residential plot constructed by Solim Manyu Village Census,
Paragraph of which page?
page 20.
Hmm.
Paragraph 3.
Yeah.
Therefore, Kabang has come to conclusion that 03 kilometer plot against residential plot, your lordship may kindly constructed by Solim Manyu Village shall continue only as residential purpose, and Kabang board directed not to occupy beyond residential plot without prior permission of Sri Bengalum Manyu. Here also, my lord, there are two aspects. One is here also it recognizes my ownership, Bengalum Manyu's ownership over the land. The specific direction is that Mr. Solim Manyu, you will not occupy more than what your residential area covers. So this was, I have raised objection during this. Yes, there was a Kabang, but this order came later, and in continuation to that Kabang, 7-4 to this 17, the meeting again set the Kabang again set on 17-4-2022, and in that 17-4-22 Kabang, the title was declared in my favor. Now, my lord, my respectful another submission would be
Including this residential.
yes, including him his residential area. Now, this is an interim order. I would say this will be an interim order, and when a final order is passed, the interim order automatically gets merged to the final order. So this has no locus.
Oh.
So now may we take up next week, you know, maybe on.
Also had Mr. P. Patil, Land Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent. Upon hearing the parties and on consideration of the contention made here, this court is of the opinion that the matter needs a deeper detailed consideration. So accordingly, the
Including the question of materiality.
the petition is admitted. The question of maintainability is also kept open. Let this matter be listed for hearing after 2 weeks. Okay.
But a fixed date.
Fixed date.
Your lordship is almost hard case.
And interim order passed earlier, we continue.
There is interim, okay, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
So therefore, my lord, there is also an interim order. So it needs. Your lordship has already had. My submission will be.
No,
because
I
I've
think
already-
because the document, this is to be actually, because there is a document decision and after that there is another decision, how it linked,
Yes.
it need to be seen properly.
Yes.
So you say according to you, it is all the interim or the.
It's only for the
it seems
residential purpose.
but the order says it's a final order. It says final conclusion, it concluded, but then according to you, it is not a conclusion one, not the final order. So there are some difficulties.
My lord, on
Need to hear. Yes.
27.
No. After two.
Okay. We'll see. I'll be here only.
27, my lord, otherwise
27 of December.
November.
November 27 would be little difficult. You can,
Well, that's why I'm saying it's 2nd December.
Let us see, okay, second.
Only few points is to be clarified.
Okay.
Item number 17,
My lord, I'm just made one small write-ups on the facts. I will make my correction.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, keep it here.
Lordship,
Second, huh? Okay,
Lordship,
this is item 17. Okay, yes.
May I, Lordship?
Oh.
Lordship, I have been informed that the sessions is in leave till 27th of this month. And my interpretation is till 3rd of December. So your Lordship may please allow me to harp my application under, after the proceeding of the court at the last. The sessions is out of station. It's leave for till 27th of this month.
Hmm.
The anticipatory.
27 of this month.
Yes, Lordship.
Your bail matter is fixed on 3rd December.
Yes, 3rd December.
So that is because that bail matter is to be disposed of first. During the pendency of the bail, you cannot file. Bail is pending before that court. It is fixed on 3rd December.
Lordship, a direction.
And then you have to pray there that you may be protected till the filing of the bail application before this court. Your bail application is pending before that court.
Lordship, there's a permission given. A regular anticipatory bail may be obtained from the concerned jurisdiction. It is written here in the order, Lordship.
Where?
In the transit bail application.
Transit bail it says that not to arrest you till 3rd, and then it's on 3rd it is the matter is fixed for hearing. It doesn't say till you obtain the anticipated bail from the court in Arunachal Pradesh. Any difficulties come thereafter after December, because after December 3rd, see that order first. And if you feel that you are not protected, come before this court again, protect you.
Okay, Lordship.
Because immediately after 3rd, anything happens, he is not going to be arrested. He's in Calcutta and or Aizol. You'll not be arrested, but then you first come with the anticipated bail if you feel unsafe. Okay. But then let the bail application before that court be disposed of. Okay.
My lord, sir. It's the matter, my lord, just before disposing, my lord wanted to see the statement of the juvenile in conflict with law.
Okay.
Matter pertaining to gun shot by the juvenile, my lord. We was under my guardianship. The office.
Oh, yes. Okay, your gun used by the juvenile.
My lord, I kept in my vehicle, the official vehicle, and I was the officer in charge of the Yoncha.
Now, whether that has come, whether the statement of the juvenile.
I'm told like it is.
Who is for the state?
I just wanted to see only the statement before disposal. So most of the submission I have already made.
This is BA.
Yes, ma'am. He has been in custody since last 1 month, more than 1 month.
Okay. Yes. How the gun came into under the possession of the juvenile?
Lordship,
It's there.
he himself took the gun from the car, Lordship. Yes, but
Okay. Yes. Without any information, without permission.
yes, Lordship. His statement is recorded, Lordship. The second page is a statement, Lordship.
Just a minute. It's a counseling report only.
Yes, Lordship.
The accused is Kuligadi.
My lord.
Okay. Change. Okay. You are also, your bail is on the ground of?
My lord, so far this shooting is concerned, my lord. I am not at all
Yeah, it appears.
involved, my lord.
Hmm.
But I'm not sure, my lord, that my criminality, my lord, is not there. So vicarious liability is unknown in the criminal law, my lord. Because my involvement is not there. Only, my lord, I concede that gun, my lord, I was carrying in my car. That I candidly, I concede that part, my lord. But for that part, my lord, for more than 1 month, I have already been custody. I have fully cooperated with the investigation, and my lord, I myself surrendered to the police. This means myself was the officer in charge, my lord. Now I was suspended from the job also, my lord. Now, my lord, there is not the case that where my further detention custody is required considering the facts and circumstances of the case, my lord.
You have received the case diary also?
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here, Lordship, the
Anything?
fact, remain the same that Lordship. Why that rifle is, which is not belong to him, Lordship, it's a belong to some other person, Lordship, Toko Kangkak, which was a surrendered Lordship, surrendered rifle,
Yes,
Lordship.
that is there.
Why he carried his rifle to his car? That was the question, Lordship. big
No, he is
question.
admitting that.
Yes, that's why,
Uh,
Lordship.
It was a kind of a stolen only
My lord.
from your own custody.
Yes, my lord. And for that, I have
for-
suffered, my lord.
For that, he has to suffer.
Suffered already, my lord.
Uh.
Otherwise, this is not the case where I should be arrested at all, my lord.
He has stolen from his own police station.
And not,
It was under my custody, my lord.
Uh,
It was under my custody.
Lordship,
Which doesn't belong to you, although under your custody, but that which doesn't belong to you.
and Lordship, other ground for the objection that he is being a Lordship, police personal Lordship.
That
So
is there.
he
For
can
example.
be Lordship,
Hmm.
once the discharge Lordship, can be some intimidation can be done Lordship. That is kind of Lordship.
So what is the stage of the investigation?
Lordship investigation.
Probably
It's not completed. It's for some forensic Lordship. The sample has been sent.
that is
for
no
the
problem.
Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, some witnesses also had to be examined, Lordship.
Like
Lordship,
he is admitting.
more.
Uh,
Yeah.
Because it was under his possession, and the juvenile also stated that from his possession, he used to carry always in his vehicle, and from there he stolen the gun, and only to shoot that woman.
Yeah, that is their Lordship statement.
And the accused has to answer so many things to his wife also. Hmm.
The only Lordship, the investigation is still pending, Lordship. It is reflecting here that the more witnesses examination to be done and the collection of more evidences and official report, Lordship.
Okay. More,
More evidences to collect more evidences and to examine some more witnesses and
do you have the status report? Can you just?
yeah,
Hmm.
Lordship.
The allegation is only to the extent that he has taken the gun, and there probably the influence, because he cannot say that somebody has put. He cannot say now. He himself has admitted that it was he who has taken the gun, and the juvenile has also clarified that he always used to keep the gun in his vehicle. It was from his vehicle only it was stolen. So he cannot now deny it, probably. And to that extent, there is no question of influencing, I think.
My thing is,
Anyway, so I'll pass order. So with a certain condition. Mr. Sona, Sona, Planning Council for the petitioner. But the mandatory requirement of ground of arrest, I think, is not in your petition.
this is not reflected, but oral
Hmm.
submission I have made.
Okay.
Otherwise, that is not there.
Also, I've also had Ms. Alhage, land additional PP for the state. Okay, I'll pass order.
Develop.
Item number 18.
For respondent number 1 and 2.
Hmm?
And for respondent.
Item 18,
Yes,
you for
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
We need some more time to file it. Not.
Hmm?
We need some more time to file it.
You are appearing for the first time,
Not first time. No.
second time?
Okay.
You are for respondent number 1 and 2?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. D. Bojit, Land Council for the This is what? Okay, appellant is present. Mr.
Yes, Irang.
S. Iran. Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2. You have received the copy. Some more time for what?
Finding affidavit, Lordship.
Earlier also you made such prayer.
Yes, on 18.
This is the
Okay.
second occasion they.
Oh, pray for Father. How much time?
3 weeks.
Father, 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. It's a second appeal. What affidavit you are going to file here?
So legal counsel is scheduled.
It's a second appeal. Has it been admitted? Not yet. Can it be admitted on or by framing the substantial question of question of law? By framing issues for decision. Your conducting counsel is out of station.
Yes, not here.
Hmm?
He's not here, Lordship.
Okay. Then say like this, Mr. Iram, Land Council, submitted the conducting counsel, Mr. El Parme, is not in the station, therefore pray for some time, prays for some time, the prayer allowed. The prayer not being objected to by the Land Council for the appellant is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Is prayed for, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay. Now, you have taken a step upon respondent number 1. Respondent number 1 is appearing now. It will be listed. Okay. The 3 weeks. Yes.
Item number 19.
For 1 and 2.
Yes, you are for 1 and 2. Yes.
My lord, if I may.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, this is a revision petition.
No, just a minute. This is
Item 9.
Maybe.
record of this case. Hmm? No, so this has come along with this. Record of this case or some other case, earlier case. Just check it. Yes, you have probably has to take press step upon.
Yes, my lord. My lord, apologies regarding that, my lord, but I would like to indicate, my lord, that the steps to the jurisdictional police station were already taken once. So it came back unserved. However, my lord, the complainant during the trial,
What is this? This is criminal revision
petition.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, during the trial, the complainant have received summons on the same address and they've appeared. But however, when
revision against which order?
Order of the learned session judge UPR, my lord. Order dated 11/3/11.
Okay. Yes, okay. Order passed by?
Learned session judge UPR dated 3/11/2023.
Okay, by that order, what order was passed? Impugn order.
By that order, my lord, charges against the petitioner were framed under section 306 and 34. For abetment of suicide.
Okay.
Due to an extramarital affair with the other accused person. So she was also charged.
Lordship, yeah, no stay was granted. So, Lordship, what state is going on now, Lordship? We have no idea, Lordship. Because Lordship,
Now, in the record,
Lordship, that we have called much before, Lordship.
record was called, okay, it was of 2024.
Yes, Lordship. Now,
And probably,
Now the stage of evidence is going on, my lord.
hmm,
Prosecution evidence. is
do you have any idea at what stage or
Yeah, it's for
how many
prosecution evidence, my lord.
prosecution, how many
Now nearly two, I believe,
remain?
two and IO, I believe, are remaining around. two.
Okay. Probably then,
Evidence.
this is quashing petition.
Yes, Your Honor. Revision against the order, my lord.
Lordship,
CC order.
CC order.
Yes, my lord.
Now
The-
the case is proceeded. Are you still pursuing or interested?
We are interested, my lord,
Hmm.
pursuing.
Now you see, we need to call the latest or the status report of the trial court. What is the evidence adduced against you? If there is a material against you, it will be difficult. Now we need the updated case, the trial court record.
yes, Lordship, I protect record.
And then the respondent, it appears, is also not appearing.
Let's say the first step may be
Hmm.
taken, Lordship, only through the officer in charge, Lordship,
Hmm.
of concerned police station, Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Jamo.
Jitalo.
Yeah, sorry, Jitalo. Lane counsel for the petitioner. Submits that inadvertently he could not take steps upon the respondent, private respondent. How many private respondents are there?
One, the complainant.
And prays for some more time. Prays for how much time? 1 week time? 2 weeks?
1 week.
Okay, prays for further 1 week time to take fresh steps upon the respondent, the private respondent. Step for notice upon the private respondent. Number 2,
Yes, two.
by a register post with AD as well as by usual process within a week from today. So let this matter, list this matter after. Where this private respondent stays?
At Chimpu, my lord.
Chimpu.
Gopur.
Okay, then 3 weeks.
My lord, I have a small prayer. The notice, it may be routed through the office of the learned PP, my lord.
No, Lordship, we can only serve notice where Lordship this POXO cases there, Lordship. Here, Lordship, they can serve Lordship through the
If they have,
concerned officer.
if he has the proper address, you just take steps.
Because, my lord, we have already undertaken the notice through the registered post. And if my lord will see the order dated 14/3/2024, therein we were directed to take steps through the jurisdictional police station.
Okay.
We had,
Have you taken that?
we had taken that, but it was returned unserved.
Answer why?
That is the issue. Address is not found.
So
However,
then you find out,
that is the issue.
you ascertain the proper address of the
According-
respondent.
Yes, according to our information, my lord, the notices
Hmm.
by the trial court, learned
Hmm.
trial court, were also sent to the same address, but they appeared therein before the learned trial court.
Hmm.
However, these notices are not. That is why we are praying that if the jurisdictional police station can go, because the post office, if the police goes, my lord, the chances of the notice being delivered are higher in our estimate.
That's why Lordship to the concerned OCPS, Lordship.
That is why
They
we are
can,
through the concerned OCPS, maybe. We may allow, but through the concerned OCPS, jurisdictional police station.
Okay. Inadvertently could not take steps upon the respondent. And then, like Mr. Talo submits that earlier he had taken steps upon the respondent, but it returned unserved without any comment.
The comment was that the addressee could not be found.
Mm.
The order is there, my lord. That is order dated 5/12/2020.
5/12?
2020. There is an office note also 4/11/2024, reflecting the same.
It's return answer with note, addressee not found. And thereafter, you have taken steps through register post also?
My lord, after that, there,
No, before.
no, this was the first step, my lord. First time, the step.
Then why don't you take steps by register post then? Should have taken that by a way of register post. If the address is correct. Hmm? Let it come delivered. Therefore, pray for allowing him to take steps upon the respondent number 2. Through the jurisdiction of police station, the prayer is allowed. Steps upon the respondent number 2 by through the jurisdictional police station within 2 weeks from today's stop. Please this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Whatever.
Item number 20.
My lord, notice has been duly served to the respondents.
Yeah,
For
therefore,
respondent number 1 and 2, it was notice served by the substitute manner and paper publication affidavit is also already submitted.
you are for
And for respondent number 3,
3.
on behalf of
1 and 2 is
Notice served by the substitute manner
1 and 2 is driver.
driver and owner, my lord.
They are necessary party.
Actually, this case is not for enhancement. This MSC appeal is for against the dismissal of MSCT case for non-prosecution.
Non-prosecution.
Yes, my
Dismiss
lord.
for non-prosecution.
Not prosecution. So, my lord, there are several judgments from the Honorable Supreme Court as well as High Court that the MSCT case
Okay.
cannot.
You want to file objection or
yes, no, sir. Standing counsel is tea time and instruct me take file. Academic.
Mr. BB, the B.R. Das, Line Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Appellant is present. Mr.
B. Sivo on behalf of tea time.
Appearing on behalf of Mr.
Tea time.
P. Tai,
Talk time.
Line Counsel for
Standing counsel of
Line Standing Counsel for
New Indian Assurance Company.
the respondent number 3, New Indian Insurance. New India Insurance Company.
Yes, those.
Praise for has it been admitted?
Yes, my lord.
By which order? Or the record has the record been called for? By which order?
TCR is not called for, my lord.
Not admitted. Praise, then his name, huh? Appearing on the option, so pray for further 3 weeks time to obtain necessary instruction in this regard. Prayer allowed. List is matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Okay, 4 weeks. After 4 weeks time, huh? Okay, list is matter after 4 weeks. I think next time, let him appear. If it is admitted, then we'll have to call for the record. Not yet admitted. Yes. On that day probably, no? In his presence, you make a submission. Okay.
Yes.
Item number 21.
Yes. What is this IFO?
My lord, that IA should be for continuation of the delay, my lord.
Delay in filing what?
The criminal appeal, my lord.
Criminal?
Appeal. First criminal appeal.
Okay, against?
Conviction under section 10 of the POCSO Act by the learned special judge Pasigar.
Okay.
They
Oh,
say delay of 329 days, my lord. Nearly a year.
Okay.
Informant and the victim.
Informant come victim. Informant is the cousin of the victim.
Okay. Informant, so victim. And praise, and submits that she wants to file objection. And prays for some time. Prayer allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
My-
In the meantime, in the meantime, the respondent may file their objection. Okay.
My lord, a small prayer, my lord. Can it be after 2 weeks, my lord?
After 2 weeks. Okay.
He has been in custody for
Okay. After 2 weeks. You file within 2 weeks.
my lord.
Item number 22 and 23.
Yes.
This is regarding quashing of the FIR, Lordship. Issue is only that, Lordship, here was customer and owner of the restaurant. They were, because of some misunderstanding, they each of the party, they quarrel each other and lead to the FIR.
Joint petition.
Yeah, just joint petition. And matter is already been settled. Settlement copies in Lordship, page number 18, Lordship. Annexure to
Just a
item
minute.
number 22.
Just a minute. Quashing of FIR,
Yes.
not yet charge sheeted.
Lordship, no. Initially, we have quashing of we have filed for the quashing of the FIR, but during the pendency of this criminal quashing petitions, Lordship, police has filed a charge sheet.
Okay.
So we have additionally affidavit has
File additional affidavit
yes.
challenging the, it was then registered and then trial begun.
Trial is not yet begun. Only now someone is only issued to the my client to appear on 3rd of the December 2025. Lordship. Next month.
Okay, what is the allegation against?
Allegation in the page number, Lordship, in the 15, Lordship. Page number 15.
Yes.
FIR is, Lordship, like the FIR against one young couple. And the FIR is that to the opposition police station, Papu Hill Naharlagan, Papu Para, district of the subject FIR against one unknown young couple. Respected sir, understand the owner of Mr. Restaurant, North Market, that in evening hours, 21st August 2020.
It's a Mr. Restaurant or
Yeah, that's
how the restaurant can be Mr. Oh, it's a male.
Yes, the name, yes. Name
The restaurant is male. It's MR restaurant, it appears, not Mr.
Hold it, Lordship. 21st August 2020 at 8 p.m. around one unknown young couple have came to my restaurant and had served as per their order. While serving, the said young couple begins lip locking kiss and hugging each other. Then my daughter-in-law approached them not to do the such thing in this place. For this family member a family restaurant, and then boy warned her and stood up and assaulted her, and afterward he pushed her chest and punched her face and physically assaulted her. Then I came to finding the fact, but he do not willing me to interference, and he also punched me on my face, broke my eyeglass and clothes too, and he warned me, "Adi galo, sala tum log yahan hum log ka dapna dega." Then my wife came out from the room, and again he beaten my wife also. Thereafter, many have came and at that couple had called many friends, and situation became worse, and the police came and handled the matter with fees. While the police escort on the road way to police station, then only elderman had warned me to stopping my other hand to. So this matter of criminal intimidation and its risk of a future for your intervention is needed here to trace the person who warned me unparliamentary. This on the basis of the Lordship, police has registered case. But what about Lordship? The both
Who is the informant?
the informant is Lordship, that is Chigamango Lordship. The petitioner number 1. After that, Lordship, in page number,
Who is this petitioner number 2?
petitioner is the family member, that's victim, the accused,
Is a victim.
yes. And three also victim, Lordship.
And then 3 also victim.
Yes. And 4 is the assaulter as per the complaint.
Accused.
Yes. So after that, Lordship, what happened? Thereafter, both the parties mutually settled
No,
the
just a
matter.
minute. The charge sheet filed in the meantime.
Yes.
Let us see where is the charge sheet, under what section?
Section,
Or which
Lordship,
what also?
similar section, Lordship. That initially section, they have filed section 115, 115 clause 2 BNS. That is punishment for volunteering causing hurt. And section 74, covering the use of criminal force or assaulting against a woman with intention of outrage her modesty. 351(3) clause 3, criminal intimidation. 324 BNS, mischief and the punishment for committing. Section 296, option act and song in public. So things that Lordship, the parties have already settled the matter, and now they don't have any grievances.
Lordship, 22 and 23, Lordship, is out of subsequent affairs, Lordship. There are
Counter
20
affair.
counter affairs, Lordship. 22 and 23, Lordship.
Counter FIR.
Yeah, Lordship.
So this was against the petitioner, and then where is the other 21, 22?
And that is another one is Lordship, petition number 153. This is,
No, this is 22.
yes, 22.
Okay.
Another one
And
is just
23 is counter FIR,
Yes, counter affair.
and this is against the.
Against this victim.
Okay, it was also registered.
Yes, it is that. But that also settled loss.
Hmm?
That also settled. What
Okay,
the-
here then in item 23. Item 22, 153. Let us see the parties. Oh, yeah. Who is for the petitioner in 23?
I'm not.
Okay,
Yes.
you are for representing both.
Yes. 23
Okay,
was
then petitioner number 1 in 23, petitioner number 1 is
Other Tabang. He's also victim. He has been
Victim.
assaulted. Yes, victim.
Brother Kappa is victim.
Victim, yes.
Navam Radhe. Who is Navam Radhe?
Nabum Radhe, Nabum Nanu, Riku Gyadi, This order victim and the informant is Chingamango. Accused is Chingamango.
Riku Gadi,
Riku Gadi is
victim,
yes.
Chigamango, accused.
Accused.
There are only one accused.
Lordship, no. In this case, Lordship, Nabum Nono is Lordship. Nabum Nono is 84. Nabum Nono.
In item 23,
Yes, I can imagine Nabum Nono.
Nabum Nono.
Yes.
Riku Gyati.
Riku Gyati is also accused, Lordship. Chingamango is also accused. The matter is already been Lordship settled, and similarly,
So this is pending before which court?
JMFC UPR.
JMFC, yeah.
Only someone has,
Someone issued.
only someone on part of the December, my client has to be appear.
The offense under which section?
Section is Lordship in item number 23 is offense is Lordship section 117. 107.
What is 117?
Voluntary causing grievous charge.
Item
Initially,
22.
police has filed that section. Final section is Lordship 115 clause 2 as per the charge sheet.
Where have you mentioned the section in the?
Lordship in my additional.
No, in the petition. Leave the final section. Initial, under what section it was registered? Where?
Initial Lordship.
Come to the first, come to the item 22.
Initially, police has registered Lordship 115.
Where do we find?
It is mentioned in page number Lordship 50.
Why not in the course title?
Synopsis also I have mentioned. Synopsis also I have mentioned.
You have not mentioned, not even mentioned the PS case number.
Lordship page number I have mentioned.
Where?
Page number 1 Lordship.
Page 1.
Police-
For setting aside question of Hill Police Station FIR number. FIR number is a FIR number is a PS case number.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, Lordship. That is-
Where is the section?
Section I have mentioned in synopsis also in FIR also.
Where is the
Page number 5 Lordship. In my petition, page number 5.
See, there is a basic
Para-
requirement in the petition.
Lordship,
It has to be mentioned in the course title only when you mention PS case number under section so and so.
Para 2 I have clearly mentioned. Police station, Papu.
That is why it is taking time. You have mentioned in some para in the middle of the petition. What is 115?
115 2 is Lordship voluntarily causing hurt.
What is 74?
Uh,
For assault or use of criminal force to women with intent to address her modesty.
351?
It's criminal intimidation. 324 is
351 is
criminal intimidation.
351 3.
Yes, Lordship.
324
It's mischief.
324 2.
Yes, Lordship.
296.
It's obscene acts and songs. Obscene acts and songs, Lordship.
Which one is non-compoundable?
Non-compatible Lordship 296 and
Where is
74.
296 and
274.
74. Where have you stated that, charge sheet file?
Lots of additional affidavit, we have filed lots of. Item number 22 and 23.
Heard Mr. T. Tapur, Land Council for the petitioner. I have also heard Ms. El Hage, Land Addition PP for the state staff para. This is a, you have not even mentioned this is joint petition. This is a joint application file. So just a minute, this application under section 528 Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 has been filed jointly by the accused and the informant in Papu Hill PS case number 51 2024. Under section 115 within bracket 2 stroke 74 within bracket 74 stroke 351 within bracket 3 stroke 324 within bracket 2 stroke 296 of BNS 2023. Did I say for setting aside of the PS case? For setting aside, praying for setting aside the stuff. So where have you mentioned in additional affidavit GR case of the pending before? Where have you mentioned?
Lots of, in additional affidavit, we have not mentioned that pending before, but recently lots of, we have received the summons 1 week back. Also.
Where do we find that number?
We have that portion we have not mentioned. Because after filing of this additional affidavit only, we have received the summons copy from the.
See, the now it is not before the police, it is before the court. You have to mention the GR case, which is to which
GR number is lots of.
GR number.
51 is 854 of the 24.
It is submitted that during the pendency of this criminal petition, the police, upon completion of investigation, has submitted the case to charge sheet against the accused, petitioner number 1 under section. Where do we find charge sheet? Where is the last page?
Last page is not.
Where is the charge sheet? Hmm?
24 onwards lost.
No, where is the
They have
relevant portion? Charge sheet. Charge sheeted against the accused under which section? Where do we find? Not complete, it appears. Land Council,
Lordship,
you are not convergent with your case.
Lordship, I may allowed to do corrections. Let us fix on officer.
Then,
Some mistake.
since you have subsequently you have received summon, you file that summon also so that we incorporate the GR case number also for the purpose of setting aside and class. So bring it that on record by filing additional affidavit. Okay. And okay. Then say Mr. T. Tapu, Land Council for the petitioner submitted during the pendency of this criminal petition, the IO of the case has submitted the above submitted the case into charge sheet. And now it is pending before the, which court?
JMFC UK.
Judicial Magistrates First Class, UPR. And the accused petition number 4, who has been issued someone?
Lordship, 3 of accused, they have received a summons. But
In
no further, I have not confirmed what.
you collect that
Yes.
someone by the Line Trial Court and praise for allowing him to incorporate, allow him to produce the copy of the summon. And also to challenge the GR case. Okay. The prayer is allowed. List this matter up next week. You've
28 profits.
28. Okay. As prayed for, comma, let this matter be listed on 28th. Lakshmi's present may also be recorded, huh? Doctor, 28.
Item number 24.
Your Lordship, I'm instructed to appear on behalf of all the respondents.
Okay. Mr. M. Kamal, counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr.
Tinima.
Lana counsel.
And Your Lordship, I am yet to file a wakalat.
Wakalatnama, put appear. And submit the put appear on behalf of all the respondents and praise for 2 weeks time to file wakalatnama. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 26.
In this case, notice to the respondent number 1 is awaited. So notice to the respondent number 2 is served. Edicas is returned. So resistance may be allowed.
Mr. B.R. Das, counsel for the appellant is present. The office note dated 2011-2025 reflect that the notice upon the respondent number 2. Just a minute. Huh? Okay. The notice upon the respondent number 2 has been served. However, the notice upon the respondent number 1 is still awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after
4 weeks and resistance maybe.
Press is set upon respondent number 2.
1.
1. Okay.
Because of 1.
Then leave that, huh? Then, huh? Although notice upon the respondent number 2 has received, the notice upon the respondent number 1 is still awaited. Therefore, we press that we may be allowed to take press step upon the respondent
registered
number 1.
post.
Prayer allowed steps for notice upon the respondent number 1 by a registered post with address by usual process within a week from today. Stop list this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Item number 27.
Your Lordship, we are appearing first time in this matter. Kindly this matter may be fixed for admission.
This matter may be fixed.
Kindly this matter may be fixed for admission, Your Lordship.
Okay. Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
You are for the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship.
None appears on behalf. Oh, they were present. Petitioner. Okay, Mr.
Sita, jo appearing on behalf of Deepangi.
Okay. Okay. Mr. C.
Tajo.
Tajo. Your name is also there?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Put appeared on behalf of the respondent number?
Yes, sole response.
So, okay, sole respondent by filing wakalatnama. And press for some time to go through the petition. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Item number 30.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Okay. So none for the respondent.
None.
Mr. G. Katolani, counsel for the petitioner is present. However, none appears on behalf of the respondent. The matter is taken. They have not yet filed any affidavit. They wanted to file.
No, Lordship.
Probably they indicated that they will file affidavit earlier. In absence of the respondent, the matter stand adjourned. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
Problem.
Finish, Lordship.
Finish.
Lordship.
Maybe they don't.